Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitra Sapira. You can call me Vivi.
And my name is Susana Cila. You can call me Cila.
Page 1. Sit.
Sit,
Sit.
sit,
Feel.
feel,
Feel.
feel,
Heel.
heal,
Heel.
heal,
Feet.
feed,
Feel.
feed,
Feels. Lips.
lips,
Lips.
lips,
Reason.
reason,
Reason.
reason,
Sleep.
sleep,
Sleep.
sleep,
Feel.
feel,
Feel.
feel,
Sleep.
sleep,
Sleep.
sleep,
Green.
green,
Green.
green.
1E. You can't sleep on the floor.
You can sleep on the floor.
It's too hard.
It's too hard.
1B. You can't sleep on the floor.
You can sleep on the floor.
It's made of rubber.
It's made of rubber.
2E. Oh dear,
Oh, there,
I can't feel the bed.
I can feel the bed.
It's dark.
It's dark.
2B. Oh dear,
Oh dear,
I can't feel the bed.
I can feel the bed.
There's no more water.
There's no more water.
3A. She's walking on a high hill.
She's walking on a high hill.
She's in her best shoes.
She's in her best shoes.
3B. She's walking on a high hill.
She's walking on a high hill.
She's in the country.
She's in the country.
4E. There's a there's a ship on the there's a ship on the bay.
There's a ship and a bay.
It's drowning.
It's drowning.
4B. There's a ship on the bay.
There's a ship on a bay.
It's sailing.
It's sailing.
5E. Take that grin off your face.
Take that grin off your face.
The color doesn't suit you.
The color doesn't suit you.
5B. Take that grin off your face.
Take that grin off your face.
It's rude. It's rude to laugh.
It's rude to laugh.
Page 2. Believe.
Believe.
Me.
Me.
Ceiling.
Ceiling.
Repeat.
Repeat.
Feet.
Feet.
Police.
Police.
Key.
Key.
C.
See.
Machine.
Machine.
T.
T.
Believe me,
Believe me,
said Mr. Green to Peter.
said Mr. Green to Peter.
You need a cup of tea.
You need a cup of tea.
I can see.
I can see.
I'm fine, said Peter.
I'm fine, said Peter.
It's just my feet.
It's just my feet.
They seem
They seem
to have gone to sleep.
to have gone to sleep.
Please don't repeat
Please don't repeat
what you have seen
what you have seen
to the people upstairs.
to the people upstairs. Upstairs.
They'll bang on the ceiling again,
They'll bang on the ceiling again,
and I'll have to call the police.
and I'll have to call the police.
Agreed.
Agreed.
Where's the key?
Where's the key?
I'll start the machine.
I'll start the machine.
Business.
Business.
Married.
Married.
Busy.
Busy.
Minute.
Minute.
Charges.
Charges.
Pretty.
Pretty.
In.
In.
Private.
Private.
Lips.
Lips.
Sandy.
Sandy.
Many.
Many.
Village.
Village.
My married sister
My married sister
lives in a pretty village.
lives in a pretty village.
From the window of her cottage,
From the window of their cottage,
she can see
she can see
the hills, churches, and houses.
the hills, churches, and houses.
On Sunday,
On Sunday,
like many English women,
like many English women,
she never wastes a minute.
she never waits a minute.
She is busy doing her private business.
She is busy doing her private business.
Bed,
bed,
bed.
bed,
Ben,
ben,
ben.
ben,
Dad,
dad,
dad.
dad,
Gas,
gas,
gas.
gas,
Head,
head,
head.
head,
Land,
land,
land.
land,
Man,
man,
man.
man,
Pen,
pen,
pen.
pen,
Sand,
sand,
sand.
sand,
Set,
set,
set.
set.
1E. Drive slowly, there's a bend.
Drive slowly, there's a bend.
Danger.
Danger.
1B. Drive slowly, there's a bend.
Drive slowly, there's a bend.
Music.
Music.
2E. He put a lid on the roof
He put a lid on the roof
to keep her warm.
to keep her warm.
2B. He put a lid on the roof.
He put a lid on the roof.
The boy was naughty.
The boy was naughty.
3E. If I were you, if I were you,
If I were you,
I'd use a pen.
I'd use a pen.
If you want to write.
If you want to write.
3B. If I were you,
If I were you,
I'd use a pen.
I'd use a pen. Pen.
If you want to fry.
If you want to fry.
4E. She set the basket on the table.
She set the basket on the table.
From the verb to sit.
From the verb to sit.
4B. She set the basket on the table.
She set the basket on the table.
From the verb to sit.
From the verb to sit.
5E. He wants me to make a guess.
He wants me to make a guess.
Because I'm lucky.
Because I'm lucky.
5P. He wants me to make a guess.
He wants me to make a guess.
Because I am a chemist.
Because I'm a chemist.
Berry.
Berry.
Man.
Man.
Fine.
Friend.
Reading.
Reading.
Guess.
Guess.
Send.
Send.
Many.
Many.
On Wednesday,
On Wednesday,
the three deaf men
the three deaf men
went to reading to bury their dead friend.
went to reading to bury their dead friend.
That,
That
said Ed,
said Ed
will
said
come
Ed
will come again many times.
will come again many times.
I'll be the next.
I guess I'll be the next.
And
And
black.
black.
The man in the black hat back the map.
The man in the black hat bent back the map.
Jack,
Jack,
he said,
he said,
stand back.
stand back.
We're in a jam.
We're in a jam.
According to this plan,
According to this plan,
this piece of land is sand.
this piece of land is sand.
So like the lamb and lend the hand.
So like the lamb and lend the hand.
Back,
Back,
buck,
buck,
bed,
bed,
butt,
bat,
cap,
cap,
cup,
cup,
cat,
cat,
cut,
cat,
head,
hat,
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 lamb,
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 match,
match,
much,
match,
rake,
rag,
rock,
rock,
ran,
ran,
run,
run,
sang,
sang,
sung.
sung.
1E. What you think of my hat?
What you think of my hat?
Is the latest fashion.
Is the latest fashion.
1B. What you think of my hat?
What you think of my hat?
2E. Is gonna lamp on his head
He's got a lamp on his head
to see with.
to see with.
2B. He's gonna lamp on his head.
He's got a lamp on his head.
Somebody hit him.
Somebody hit him.
3A. He'd never seen such a cat.
He'd never seen such a cat.
It was like a wild animal.
It was like a wild animal.
3B. He'd never seen such a cat.
He'd never seen such a cat.
4E. He bought another cap.
He bought another cap.
For B, he bought another cup.
He bought another cup.
5E, she had a, she had a rag to keep her warm.
She had a rag to keep her warm.
5B, she had a rug to keep her warm.
She had a rug to keep her warm.
London,
London.
run.
Run.
Once,
Once.
trouble.
Trouble.
Hurry up, run.
Hurry up, run.
Supper's ready and mother's come.
Supper's ready and mother's come.
Once a month, she came from London.
Once a month she came from London.
She brought a ton of luggage with her,
She brought a ton of luggage with her,
and a dozen bunches of roses.
and a dozen bunches of roses.
The fuss and trouble.
The fuss and trouble.
Three Didas like country cousin.
3 days like country cousin.
You should, you should have seen the color of her gloves.
You should have seen the color of her gloves.
Must the cost
Must have cost
a lot of money.
a lot of money.
Bus,
Bus,
boss,
bus,
collar,
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 cuff,
cuff,
cough,
cuff,
cat,
cat,
cot,
coat,
duck,
duck,
dog,
dog,
gun,
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 hat,
hat,
hot,
hot,
lass,
lass,
loss,
loss,
nut,
nut,
not,
not,
shut,
shut,
shot.
shot.
1E, I'm afraid the bus will be late.
I'm afraid the bus will be late.
The traffic is bad.
The traffic is bad.
1B, I'm afraid the boss will be late.
I'm afraid the bus will be late.
He usually is.
He usually is.
2E, his collar was blue.
His color was blue.
He was cold.
He was cold.
2B, his collar was blue
His collar was blue
on his shirt.
on his shirt.
2E, I could tell him by his cough.
I could tell him by his cough.
The one the one on his coat.
The one on his coat.
3B, I could tell him by his cough.
I could tell him by his cough.
He had bronchitis.
He had bronchitis.
4E, they looked for the ducks
They looked for the dogs
on the lake.
on the lake.
4B, they looked for the dogs.
They looked for the dogs.
They wanted to see the ships.
They wanted to see the ships.
5E, the policeman shut the door.
The policeman shut the door.
He was polite.
He was polite.
5B, the policeman shut the door.
The policeman shut the door.
Instead of instead of criminal.
Instead of criminal.
Austria.
Austria.
Tom.
Tom.
Because.
One.
1. Cough.
Cough.
Yacht.
Yacht.
Orange.
Orange.
I want an orange squash.
I want an orange squash.
I'm hot.
I am hot.
And tell me the time.
And tell me the time.
Because my watch has stopped.
Because my watch has stopped.
John said.
John said.
It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
Said Tom.
Said Tom.
And there's no orange squash.
And there's no orange squash.
I have a cough drop.
Have a cough drop.
I found the box on that rich Austrian yacht.
I found the box on that rich Austrian yacht.
I suppose I suppose there I suppose there
I suppose there
quality cough drop.
quality cough drop.
Then
Then
what a lot of frog you talk.
what a lot of frog you talk.
Cough,
Cough.
cough,
Cough.
card,
Car.
coat,
Coat.
card,
Car.
coat,
Coat.
clerk,
Clerk.
clock,
Clock.
dark,
Dark.
dog,
Dog.
darn,
Darn.
done,
Done.
hard,
Hard.
hot,
Hot.
glass,
Glass.
gloss,
Gloss.
glass,
Glass.
loss,
Loss.
part,
Part.
pot.
Pork.
When 1E, The tourists got lost in the dark.
The tourists got lost in the dark.
They could not see.
They could they could not see.
1b. The tourists got lost in the dark.
The tourists got lost in the dark
Near the ships.
near the ships.
2e. He thought he heard a calf.
He took a heard a calf.
He was on a farm.
He was on a farm.
2b. He thought he heard the calf.
He took a heard a calf.
His friend has he his friend had a cold.
His friend had a cold.
3e. She put the baby in the cart
She put the baby in the cart
to give him a ride.
to give him a ride.
3b. She put the baby in the cart.
She put the baby in the cot.
He wanted to sleep.
He wanted to sleep.
4e. He knocked he knocked over the clerk.
He knocked over the clock.
He worked in the office.
He worked in an office.
4b. He knocked he knocked over the clock.
He knocked over the clock.
It was on the table.
It was on the table.
5e. He showed the card to the man.
He showed the card to the man.
His name was on his name was on it.
His name was on it.
5b. He showed the card to the man.
He showed the card to the man.
He was a fishmonger.
He was a fishmonger.
After
After
Derbyshire,
Derbyshire,
army,
army,
farm,
farm,
calm,
calm,
heart,
heart,
car,
car,
love.
love.
After Charles had left the army,
After Charles had left the army,
he started to farm in
he
Derbyshire.
started to farm in Derbyshire.
This was different from marching past a sergeant.
This was different from marching past.
I can't play cards, no to Carlos.
I can play cards now to Charles.
I can't go to dentist,
I can go to dentist.
nor laugh with my comrades in arms.
No love with my comrades in arms.
But I shan't break my heart.
But I shan't break my heart.
He loved,
In love,
I have a car,
I have a car,
and life sweet and calm.
and life sweet and calm.
Art,
Art,
out,
oak,
Arthur,
Arthur,
author,
author,
burn,
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 born,
card,
card,
coat,
court,
darn,
darn,
down,
down,
far,
far,
ford,
for,
park,
park,
pork,
pork,
park,
park,
port,
port,
shah,
shah,
shore,
shore,
star,
star,
store.
store.
1e. This not the Arthur you mean.
Is not the Arthur you mean.
He's fat, not thin.
He's what not thin.
1b. This not the author you mean.
Is not the Arthur you mean.
He writes poetry.
He writes poetry.
2e. He's been to far countries,
He's been to far countries.
a long way from here.
A long way from here.
2b. He's been to far countries,
He's been to four countries.
not many but quite a few.
Not many, but quite a few.
3e. I've lost the name on the star,
I've lost the name of the star.
the one in the film.
The one in the film.
3b. I've lost the name of the store,
I've lost the name of the store.
where I bought my hat.
Where I booked my hat.
4e. He hit the ball inside. He hit the ball inside the cart.
He hit the ball inside the car.
On the farm.
On the farm.
4b. He hit the ball inside the cart.
He hit the ball inside the court.
He was playing tennis.
He was playing tennis.
5E. I'm invited to visit the Shah
I'm invited to visit the Shah
in Tehran.
in Tehran.
5B. I'm invite I'm invited to visit the shore
I'm invited to visit the shore
by the sea.
by the sea.
August,
August.
Fourth,
Fall.
awful,
Awful.
lawn,
Lawn.
born,
Born.
wall,
Wall.
daughter,
Daughter.
where.
War.
One morning in August,
One morning in August,
at dawn,
at dawn,
he rode his horse he rode his horse past alone
he rode his horse past alone.
along the wall to the orchard.
Along the wall to the orchard,
How awful
how awful
not to have been born.
not to have been born.
He called his daughter.
He called his daughter.
You fought a war for this.
You fought a war for this.
She took.
She took.
Then they walked in the cornfields
That they walked in the cornfields
and and take and take the lawn for their coat and that the lawn for their good fortune.
and thanked the Lord for their good fortune.
Okay, thank you. Sir, sir, matiin.